Can anything stop the shredder? Watch out, New York! Shredder's on the attack!
Looks like we need some mutant teenagers to help us.
But they will not save you.
You'll never stop me.
We'll see about that.
Raphael springs into action with some kind of kicking motion. Ouch! Looks like you're up, Donatello! All you brought was a purple stick? Well, that's not getting the job done.
I'll handle this, dudes. Cowabunga!
Oh, tough loss. Better slow down on the pizza. Can anything stop the shredder? Semi-truck to the face. Good job, Shellraiser.
Yeah, guys. Woo, we did it. Let's get some pizza.
You'll never stop me, turtles.
When in doubt, drop a semi-truck on your enemies. Ninja Turtle, Shellraiser, and Shredder not included. Batteries never included. This is not a real commercial.